Meaning of demotivate.
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 Demotivate. Demotivate means to cause someone to lose motivation or enthusiasm for something. When someone is demotivated, they may feel uninspired, unengaged, and disinterested in their work or activities. This can lead to decreased productivity and a lack of effort towards achieving goals. Demotivation can be caused by various factors such as a lack of recognition or rewards, feeling overwhelmed or frustrated, or not seeing a clear path to success. It is important to address demotivation early on to prevent it from negatively impacting one's personal and professional life.